Design a DFA which will accept all the numbers which are divisible by 4 over the inputs 0 to 9. It means the given we need to verify whether the given number is divisible by 4 or not. When you say given number is divisible by 4, if the number is if remainder is 0, then it is divisible by 4. If remainder is 1, 2 or 3, it is not divisible by 4. So there are 4 states with one state for remainder 0, one state for remainder 1, one state for remainder 2, one state for remainder 3. So let's try to design DFA for this one. We require 4 states: Q0 with remainder 0, Q1 with remainder 1, Q2 with remainder 2, Q3 with remainder 3. Q0 is a final state and initial state here. By remainder is 0. So that is divisible by 4. Within 0 to 9, 0 modular division 4, 0 only. 4 modular division 4, 0 only. 8 modular division 4, 0 only. What are the numbers with remainder 1? 1 modular division 4, remainder is 1. 5 modular division 4, remainder 1. 9 modular division 4, remainder is 1. With remainder 1. What about remainder 2? 2 modular division 4, 6 modular division 4 with remainder 2. Remainder 3, 3 modular division 4, remainder is 3. 7 modular division 4, remainder is 3. On Q0, we defined all the transitions. Now we will define transitions on Q1. Q1 on 0. Q1 on 0. What will happen? 1, 0. So Q1 on 0. Already Q0 on 1. Q1 it is moving. So already 1 is there. Then 0. 10 modular division. 10 modular division 4. What is the remainder? Remainder is 2. Now write down the transitions. Q1 on 0, it will go to Q2. So 14, Q1 on 4, it will become 14. 14 modular division 4, remainder is 2 only. Q1 on 4. Then Q1 on 8, 18. So 18 modular division 4, remainder is 2 only. Okay. So this set is completed. Now what about this set? 159. Q1 on 1. 11 modular division 4, remainder is 3. So Q1 on 1, remainder 3. Q1 on 5, 15. 15 modular division 4, remainder is 3 only. So that set will not change. On 9. So this one also completed. 840 completed. 951 completed. What about 62? Q1 on 6. 16. 16 modular division 4, remainder is 0. Q1 on 2, it will become 12. So 12 modular division 4, remainder is 0. Okay. What about this one? So now let's see. 62 is defined, 840 is defined, and 951 is defined, 73 is pending. On Q1, 73 is pending. Q1 on 7, 17. Q1 on 7, 17. 17 modular division 4, remainder is 1. Q1 on 3, 1 3, remainder is 1. So over the Q1, we define all the transitions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So over 0 to 9 we define. Now coming to Q3 state. Q3 on 0. Q3 on 0. So already Q0 on 3, it is coming to Q3 state. Q3 on 0, it will become 30. 30 modular division 4, remainder is 2. It will go to Q2 state. On 0, it will go to Q2 state. So 34, Q3 on 4, it will become 34. Remainder is 2 only. Q3 on 8, remainder is next. On 048 we define. Now we will define on 159. So Q3 on 1, already here 3 is there. Q3 on 1, it will become 31. 31 modular division 4, remainder is 3 only. Q3 on 1. So anyway, that set will not change. 5, 9. Now define the transitions on 6-2. If you get 6-2, 3 on 6, it will become 36. 36 modular division 4, remainder is 0. So it will come to Q0 state. Wait. On 2, this is not 3. This is 6. Okay. So Q3 on 6-2 we define. On Q3 any pending things? On 951 we define. On 048 we define. On 6-2 we define. What about on 7-3? So if you get 3 here, 3 on 3, so already 3 is there, 33. 33 modular division 4, what is the remainder? 1. So Q3 on, just we will enlarge this diagram to clear understanding. Q3 on 3, it will go to Q1 state. Q3 on 7, it will go to Q1 state. Now we will define transitions on Q2. So first we Q2 on 6. So already 2 is there, 26. 26 modular division 4. What is the remainder? Remainder is okay. So 26 modular division 4, remainder is 2. Q2 on 6, Q2 on 2, it will resides within the same state. Now on 048, Q2 on 0, it will become 20. 20 modular division 4, remainder is 0. So Q2 on 0, it will come back to Q0. Q2 on 4, 24, it will come back to Q0. Q2 on 8, it will come back to Q0 state. Okay. Now on 6 and already we defined, on 7 and 3. So Q2 on 3, it will become 23. 23 modular division 4. What is the remainder? Remainder is 3. On 7, it will go to Q3. So what is the remaining one? 195. Q2 on 1, 21. 21 modular division 4, remainder is 1. So Q2 on 1, Q2 on 5, Q2 on 9. Okay. So we defined all the transitions. Let's verify by supplying the different inputs. 24. 24 is divisible by 4. Let's check whether it is accept or not. So it is in the final state. So it is accepted. 24 is divisible by 4. Let's take 240. 240 is divisible by 4. So Q0 on 2, it is moving to Q2. Q2 on 4, it is moving to Q0. Q0 on 0, it will reside within the same state. So 240 is divisible by. Okay. So let's take the one more example. 38. 38 is not divisible by 4. So let's see here. Q0 on 3, Q3. Q3 on 8, Q2. So 38 modular division 4, remainder is 2. So it is in the Q2 state. Okay. Let's take the another example. So consider one random number. Q2 on 6, remainder is 2. So it is in the Q2 state. Q0 on 6. Q2 on 3, Q3. 63 modular division 4, remainder is 3. 634 modular division 4, remainder is 2. Q2 state. On 9, Q1 state. On 8, Q2 state. So up to here, it will divisible by 4 on Q0 state. Now, so if you perform modular division 4, remainder is 3. So it is in the Q3 state. Okay. So like this, you can able to design DFS for divisible by any number. Divisible by 2 means 2 states. Divisible by 3 means 3 states. Divisible by 4 means here we considered 4 states. So like this, you can design for any decimal number which is divisible by any number.